Hey, what's up people? I'm Avijay here, back again with another video. So in this video I will show you the latest Microsoft Edge for Windows 10. That is the latest browser the Microsoft has built for especially Windows 10 people or users. So you all know this one, the old uh, Microsoft Edge browser. So I will write here Edge browser, or you can directly go to the link in the description below. So you can see it is promoted ad by Microsoft only. The new Microsoft Edge is here. So we will go to the download, click on download. Here again you can see it is only for Windows 10. So this is the terms and conditions. We'll accept and download it. Thank you. So download has completed. Let's run it. It is a 1.8 MB. So let's see. So it is now installing, downloading few more files. It will take a couple of seconds. So let's see how the new Microsoft Edge is, and is it better than the previous one. Can it give a competition to the top leaders like that, the Mozilla Firefox or the king, that is the Google Chrome? And Apple has their one Safari. So Microsoft is trying hard to get on that Edge browser for Windows especially. So download is done. Close and continue. Now it is installing. So it has now been installed. So you can see the old Edge has been updated, and now it is opening. So if you download the new Edge, the old Edge browser will be gone forever. So I think, and you can see, welcome to the new Microsoft Edge with a new logo. Let's start. It looks pretty impressive. Inspiration, it is like that Google one, when you set up your Google Gmail, they are asking like that one only. Confirm. So let's try out. Wow, it looks nice. The users are all here. So, and the Microsoft Store, MSN, they are all sponsored. Links are here. Let me go and let me Google what Microsoft, how fast it is. Okay, so the scrolling is a bit faster. It is using the Bing one. Let me Google here. Google. You can see that Microsoft always tries to promote Bing over Google, but I will go to Google now. And click on YouTube. So now let me go to something else. You can also see here, personalize your apps. Personalize, you can choose the topics that you want to see news on. You can add your custom website shortcuts. Let's see on the settings here. You can see inspirational, focused mode. It is like Microsoft. It feels like you Google. It is written Google and it is Chrome here. The display, it has an effect, you can see. So let's see information. This is the information mode. and there is a custom mode. So I like the focused mode much better. It is like the most. Let's see the Microsoft Store here. Office 365. Yes, the scrolling is a bit faster here. GTA San Andreas, Forza Horizon. So now you can see this was the new Microsoft browser. So you can also check this extension section here. For this you need to go to Microsoft Store to get extensions. There are many browser extensions. You can see one-click URL shortener, ad remover, Amazon Quick Link. These are Microsoft Edge add-ons, and it is a beta program. The alpha program is not yet released. So that was in this video. Hope you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye bye. See you in the next video. Peace.